Hi there! In this video we're going to learn how to configure a cable line. Here in my project you can see that I have my building, and here we have the entry switchboard, and here is the entry cable line which brings electricity to our building. Even though it is represented by only being a line, I know from our project that inside this line we have 4 cables 95 diameter and 1 cable with 50 diameter. What we are going to do now is we are going to create a component for our this cable line. So first I start by giving my line a title. I'm going to call it cable 4x95 1x50 so that people can easily know what this cable contains. And I'm now going to start by adding the individual articles that are going to make up this line. So I open my list of articles and I look for my first cable, which is going to be the XV with 95 millimeters of section. So I add this cable to the chapter 1.2 in my budget, and now since I have 4 cables in this line, I up the quantity to the number 4. And I do the same thing for the next cable, which is going to be my XV 150 cable. And another thing that I have to take into account is that these cables need to be inside a tube. So I also need to add in this component the tube in which these cables are going to go through. So here we go, our corrugated tube with 125 millimeters in diameter in our chapter 1.1 for the tubing. And there we go, we have easily and quickly created a new component for our for this cable line.